The News Minute is at the Rudreshwara temple, popularly known as the Ramappa temple. Located around 200 kilometers away from Hyderabad, in around 4.5 hours we reach this particular temple. This is the only temple probably in India which is named after its sculptor and was built around the 12th and 13th century. Legend says that it took around 4 decades to build this particular temple. We are now at the entrance. We'll be going inside and we'll show you all the intricate details of this beautiful temple. The Ramappa temple has a total of 3 entrances. We are presently at the north entrance. The east entrance is the main entrance to the temple. I also have with me a very special person. His name is Vijay Kumar. He's been an official guide from the Telangana tourism side and has been explaining to tourists the significance and the importance of the Ramappa temple for almost 17 years now. Vijay will be explaining to us the intricate details of the temple.
This temple built by Kakatiya's dynasty, built by Rechala Rudra, is the chief commander of Kakatiya kings. And this temple took 40 years of construction period from 1173 to 1213 AD. Firstly, this temple called as Rudreshwara Alayam because the Lord Shivalinga established by Kakatiya's king Rudradeva by name is Rudreshwara Alayam. After now popular name is the Ramappa. Ramappa is the chief architect of this temple. And now Lord name also called as Sri Ramalingeshwara Swami. And see this poster, this is called Perini dance or Perini Shivatandavam. This is composed by Kakatiyas, look like Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam. This is the now official dance of Telangana state.
This is a popular attraction at the Ramappa temple. The special carving of Lord Sri Krishna is shown as playing the flute while sitting on a tree. The sound of the flute is believed to be heard as different notes when the bark of the tree is tapped. A similar sound cannot be heard if tapped anywhere else.
And see this designs. This is look like bangle design. You can see the inside of bangle design needle holes is there. These are very fine carving. Those days don't have any machinery. Just made with hand tools. And we have just 13 holes is there. This side is no. From here to there 13 is there. This 13 holes indication to Lord Shiva's leg day is the Trayodashi. That is 13th day of lunar calendar. So he given only 13. Only here is there, does not that another place. You can see the inside the Lord. Now natural light is there. Other temples, you can see the Garbhagriha very dark is there. From here, sunrise to sunset, whatever light here is there, same light inside is there. The light coming from some gap there around to this temple. So sunlight fallen on these 4 black pillars and reflected to the Shivalinga. You can observe here, I can put it here torch. This torch light reflected is there, you can see. So that light reflected from these pillars, whatever light here is there, same light inside is there from morning to evening. You see here one specialty is there. Here 3 persons is there, they have only 4 legs there instead of 6 legs. But you can see the individual one, each one have 2 legs is there. See like this one have 2 legs is there. See like this person have 2 legs is there. See like this middle person have 2 legs is there. Only 4 is there, but it is look like 6. That is the greatness of architect. And this circle is dancing floor. Our tradition, every classical dancer firstly pray to the Nataraja after started dance. You can see the ceiling, middle is Nataraja is there. Is the Nataraja. So firstly pray to him after started dance here. And we have triangles is there, each triangle of each Dikpalaka, that is called Ashta Dikpalaka. This is the east side is Lord Indra is there. And Agni, Yama, Niruti, Varuna, Vayu, Kubera, and Ishanya, that is called Ashtadikpalakas. And we have 4 block pillars is there, the 3 is similar. This is totally different from other pillars. This is thinner from other pillars. And you can observe here, other pillars here, 4 side carvings is there, here one side plain and small dent also is there. This is indication to evil eye, everything is perfect is there. This is the imperfection of this temple, purposefully made it one defect. And that carvings extra put it here, other pillars don't have here. You can observe the Nandi here, different is there. You can see the other temples Nandi head straight is there. But you can see the Kakatiya's Nandis look like this shape is there. This is the Lord Shiva's vehicle. Shiva's whenever calling is ready to come up. You can observe the one eye looking for Shiva, listening for ears, one leg also ready to get up. So that is a lot of Shiva's call. And you can see the Nandi high, wherever you go, that is looking at you. That is watching your side. So a lot of position is there. You can see the other temples resting position is there. And these 2 posters famous in this temple. This 2 is called as Ragini and Nagini. See the Ragini, she is wearing high heels in those days. See her footwear. And flat heels, today's only back side heel is there, that time both side heel is there. Gap also there between her feet and chapel. So this is the now feeling it is latest fashion, but it is old fashion. High heels is there in 800 years back. She is called Ragini. Last one is Nagini. She is standing on a snake and holding one snake. You can see her face also, it is look like snake. See the other faces is very smooth is there, here different rough is there. Eyes also look like snake eyes is there. She is called Nagini. Look like snake face is there. And this one and that last one stolen up one officer of the Nizam government. So archaeology department brought it back and reinstalled. You can see the other idols is stone base is there. This 2 is cement is there, top and bottom. That one and this one. And she is one dancer. You can see her top and he made long nails also clearly is there. You see the last one. We have totally 12 idols is there. There are calling Madanika. She is the shortest of 12. And she look like hunter. She is hunting in forest. Bow is there, her hand. See the top side look like forest type is there. One monkey and bird also is there, top of the tree. This side is monkey, that side is bird is there. You can see her feet, servant to remove the thorn on her feet. See the her thorn place, he made little swelling also is there. And she is wearing mini skirt, look like a tribal race is there. See these idols, they are calling Gajakesari. 3 idols is there, that is a single stone. First is elephant trunk is there, middle is shoulder, top is lion, that is called Gajakesari. Gajakesari is the titles of Kakatiyas.
Another interesting aspect is that on another side, among many other carvings, you can see that the 4th is of Egyptian King Pharaoh. If you notice carefully, you can see Lord Mahavir, Lord Vinayaka and many others too. One can also notice a Persian person among the carvings. This is because of the influence of trade that the Kakatiya dynasty had with these places. Motupalli was a seaport located near Vijayawada used for trade.
And this temple shape look like this flower. This is called a star-shaped temple. You can see the platform corners and roof corners look like this shape is there. This is called a star-shaped temple. And see this elephant road. This is indication to visitors. Go to this way around to this temple. And we have 526 elephants is there. Each elephant different from others. See here, your trunk back there, your friend there. Here this design is different is there. See here, this side is look like bell type design is there. Here this side is there. Here don't have. Here and the trunk also, the tail also coming this way. Here also designs different is there. So we have 526 elephants is there in this row. Each one different from other elephant. And this is indication to visitors how to do the pradakshina on this temple.
To understand and experience the beauty of the temple, it may take you more than an hour. Overall, you can easily spend a couple of hours enjoying the serenity at the temple premises. From the temple, you can head to the Ramappa Lake, which is less than a kilometer away. You can stay at the Telangana Tourism's Harita Hotel, located near the lake. If you still have another day to spare, you can also visit the Laknavaram Lake, located in the same district around 65 kilometers away from the Ramappa temple. The 1000-pillar temple in Hanamkonda is also a great tourist attraction on the way. To understand why Telangana's Ramappa temple made it to UNESCO's World Heritage List, you have to visit this beautiful temple. What Vijay Kumar explained in the last couple of minutes is only a fraction of what you can really experience when you visit here. The next time you come here, ensure you hire the service of a guide to understand the relevance and the detailing of the temple and each of the sculptures, because they reveal a lot about the Kakatiya dynasty. Next time you're looking for a place in the weekend to head out to, Ramappa temple should definitely be on your list. Reporting from the temple, for the News Minute, this is Paul Lumen signing off.